Finally, you are at the end of this complete course, and through the entire course you had gone through a complete coding example of developing a DUT from scratch. So you had seen how to develop the basic components and how to approach a problem of designing a complex DUT, and how to divide into multiple submodules and how to do them, and finally how to plug them together to form the final DUT. At this point, I would really appreciate your patience to go through the complete course, because this course was completely explaining a coding example, and it won't be as interesting as learning a theory part when you go through a complete code. You can either go to develop your own DUT, or you can again do the same project that we had explained here in your own environment, and do the simulation and see whether you are able to complete the project. So it need a patient effort to complete this whole project. It might even need few months to complete if you are a beginner in the Systemverilog design coding. But once you are able to complete the whole project, it will give you a good hand in the design coding, and also it will make you confident in dealing with Systemverilog designs. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this course. Thank you very much for enrolling this course. I hope this course was relevant for you and you learned a lot from this. Happy learning.